Bless up, bless down on Mastermind Statements. Have you ever helped somebody and they betrayed you? Let's go. Have you ever helped somebody to get a job? You spent your time helping them with the resume, helping them fill out the job applications, helping drive them around to their different interviews and things like that, and they betrayed you? Have you helped somebody with their bills? You took money out your own pocket, out your own savings account, out your own checking account, out your own investment, money that you just earned, money that you just made, and they betrayed you. You helped somebody with their rent, helped them pay their electric bill, helped them pay their cell phone bill, but they betrayed you. There's something wrong with these people. We're going to talk about that. There's something really wrong with these people. You've given them your time, your money, and your resources, but they have now betrayed you in some form or another. It's people that you've helped out with their career. There's a job, but then there's a career. You helped them to advance in their career, up the ladder. You gave them the insight. You gave them job references. You helped put them in position. They came to you asking for help. Can you critique my resume? You had phone calls from people asking for a reference for this particular job opportunity. You put in the best reference that you could, and you did that, and they got the job, they got the career. But these people, they betray you. Beware of these toxic people. Have you helped somebody when they had nobody else to talk to? They felt like they could talk to nobody on this planet. They couldn't talk to their family members. The family members weren't listening to them. The relatives weren't listening to them. Nobody was listening to them but you. You helped them. You gave them advice. You helped them get out of hard times. You helped them to change their mindset. But they end up betraying you. You helped somebody when their main friends rejected them. Even their main friends, their best friends rejected them for some reason. But you gave them your time. You gave them your ear. You just listened. You sat quietly. And when it was time to give advice, you gave advice. That person in that moment seemed like to you, to them, that you were the greatest person that they ever met. They're giving off those type of vibes and type of energy. Man, you're the greatest. I like you. I love you. Man, we're gonna have this friendship forever. We're best friends forever. But then they betray you. Are these people wearing masks? Are these people so toxic that they're wearing masks? They just come in and grab what they can grab from you, take what they can take from you. Is it all an illusion? Are they all being fake by saying that nobody wants to talk to them? Are they just making these stories up? Because in reality, these people are so toxic that they got pushed out of an inner circle. Now they're coming to you, manipulating you as if they're the victim. Beware these toxic people. You got to be in tune and know who's real and who's not real. You'll have these people coming, they'll now start to steal from you. They're physically stealing from you. They're stealing money from you. They're coming to your house, they're stealing whatever they can. As soon as you turn your back, they're stealing from you. These same people are the same people that'll talk to you behind your back. They start to spread rumors about you. They're spreading rumors with your family. They're spreading rumors with your friends. They're spreading rumors at your job. They're spreading rumors wherever they can about you. Fake rumors made up. All of a sudden, stuff that snaps in their brain, they become so demonic and negative. All of a sudden, you were helping them out. Now someone's like, oh, okay, so yeah, now I'm good with my family again. And all of a sudden now they want to victimize you. Everything's good with my best friend, my crew, my main crew. Now all of a sudden, they're making it seem like you did nothing for them. Just like that. These people are toxic individuals. You got to beware. All of a sudden now they got a new group of friends. Oftentimes these new groups of friends, they start to overpower that good food that you're giving, spiritual good food that you're giving to the person that you're helping out. They start to come in just real toxic too. And all of a sudden now they start to get that individual to turn on you. You got to be aware of these situations. These are real situations that are happening every single day. Now all of a sudden this person, they want to get the cops involved. They try to get the cops, they call the cops on you. They try to get the court system in on you. They try to get you fired. You've got to watch out for these people. Think about it. Think back. Might be happening now. Might happen in the past. It might be somebody that you're dealing with now, but you see these signs. Don't ignore them. Who is this person? You've got to really spend your time evaluating, getting to know yourself, so that the more that you know yourself at the highest, you can identify anybody that is not hitting them check boxes like the Matrix. If they're not hitting them check boxes like the Matrix, those people got to go. You cannot keep these people around you. These people right here, they will kill, steal, and destroy. They will destroy your lives if you let them. But guess what? There's something you can do. You could stand tall. You could stand strong. You should be document some of these things. I would say if you think it's gonna go real crazy, make sure. Well, first of all, don't get involved with the thing. But when you start to get those hints, either start backing out or make sure you start documenting what you did for them. Document what you're doing for them, and just start documenting these weird changes that you start to see. You don't know at what point you need to, especially they make you go to court or something like that. You don't know at what point that you need to have evidence ready, documentation ready, so that you're not the one looking stupid. These people want to make you look stupid. They want to embarrass you in front of people. Beware of these toxic people that you help, and all of a sudden now they're betraying you. You can't have yourself around these people. Don't have your family around these people. Don't have your relatives around these people. Don't have your friends around these people. These people are toxic like cancer. They'll get in any way they can, and then next thing you know, all that energy is put into you. That same energy that they have inside them, they start trying to put it into you. Now all of a sudden, they're turning the tables on you. You're losing everything around you because you're dealing with the wrong person. Not everybody out here that you help is even worthy of your help. Let's be honest. Not everybody out here that you're trying to help is even worthy of a second of any of your resources, your intellect, your financial intellect, your spiritual intellect. These people will suck you dry of everything. I made a YouTube short on that. These people will literally suck you dry of all your resources. It's like having two glasses. You have one glass that's full, theirs is empty. At the end of everything, you pour into them everything that you can. You give them everything that you can give. They were down here, now they're up here. You're down here now. It's imbalance. There was no equal exchange going back and forth. Dangerous people. Beware of these toxic people that you help. They will betray you at some point. Go back and read the ancient text. Yeshua himself was betrayed. You got to realize in a lot of these ancient texts, the secrets are all in there. There's nothing new that's happening right now. Anything that you experience is nothing new. These things have been documented for centuries. Go back and read a lot of these old ancient texts and even books. You're going to find out that betrayals have been happening forever. And they're going to continue to happen. Only thing that you can do is you need to protect yourself. Protect yourself, protect everything that you own, everything that you're building, especially if you're a business owner. You got to protect those things. People will try to sabotage your business. They will steal your ideas. You done told them everything. You done helped them out with everything. You helped that person pay bills. All the while they're over here plotting and learning your techniques and your strategies and your blueprint. They want to take that from you. You got to determine too. Was it you that volunteered your help, or did they ask you for help? You need to really be careful of who you're volunteering to help for, and who you're accepting to receive your energy. It's too dangerous out here dealing with people. Your time is your time. Your time is valuable. Do not just give your time to anybody. And as soon as you get that hint that this person is toxic, that they may betray you, Do not ignore it. Oftentimes what you feel is real. And then when you get betrayed, all of a sudden now you're angry at them, you're angry at yourself. You knew the entire time what was going down. At that point, it's your fault for ignoring what you've seen. They showed you. They showed you. Just cut them off. Cut them off. Don't deal with them. If you can, if you don't got to see them at any point again, just put yourself in that situation where you just don't have to even deal with them. You don't want to see them no more. You don't want to be around them people. Because the more and more that you get angry, the more and more that you get caught up, then now they want you to do something so that you get yourself in more trouble. It's all a game out here. These people are really out here conspiring. These people are real dusty out here. They're real dusty, they're real dirty, they're real toxic. Dusty, dirty, toxic. Dusty, dirty, toxic. Dusty, dirty, toxic. Remember that. Dusty, dirty, toxics. That's it. That DDT. That's it. Dusty, dirty, toxic. Run from them folks. That's it. Fly a kite, be free, keep winning.